example 8 on page 528, multiply the two factors. This first factor is cube root of y. This second factor is a whole parenthesis that consists of two terms. Alright, so to multiply this, we'll distribute. Take the first factor, multiply each term inside the second factor. Okay? So we have cube root of y as a given, multiplied by cube root of y squared, plus cube root of 2, and then I'm going to distribute. Take this, multiply this, and then take the same thing, multiply this. This multiply this, we have 3 cube root of y times 3 cube root of y squared. This, and then plus this times this is cube root of y times cube root of 2. Okay? Now, these two factors, multiplication of the two radicals. Remember, for multiplication or division, you only need to have the same index or k roots when you multiplying or dividing the two radicals. So, as you see, these two radicals have 3 as the index. So they have the same index. That means you can, it satisfies this condition. That means you can combine the two terms, the two factors when you multiply them. So multiply this, rewriting as the same k root, index 3, and then multiply the radicals y times y squared. Again, we learned how to combine these two terms earlier, okay? Plus, when we multiply these two radicals, again, for multiplication or division, you only need the same index, okay, root. And because this radical is cube root, both have index equal to 3, that means you can combine them. So when you multiply the two, you combine as one radical with the same index 3, and then you multiply the radicals, take y times 2, and then now we simplify. Cube root of y times y squared is y to the third power, plus cube root of 2 times y, or y times 2 is 2y. Now we have two radicals. Now this is addition. For addition or subtraction, you need to use this, which means you need to check these two conditions before you want to combine the two radicals. Do they have the same index, k root? Yes. This radical has 3 as the index. This radical has 3 as the index. So satisfy the first condition. Now, do they have the same radicals when you add or subtract them? This radical has radicand y to the third power. This radical has radicand 2y. Now, y to the third and 2y, they are different. So that means you cannot combine these two radicals. You cannot. Okay? For addition and subtraction, you need these two conditions. For multiplication or division, you only need one, which is if the two radicals have the same index. Now, you cannot combine them. But notice that this is cube root, right? So you have y to the third power. Look like you can simplify this. Okay? So, if we simplify this, we will get, because this y factor has 3 as the exponent, and the k index right here is 3, and it match. These two numbers match. That means you can factor the y outside the cube root. So the answer is y plus, this one you cannot simplify any further, to put cube root of 2y. Okay? So the answer for multiplying these two factors is y plus cube root of 2y.